Hello, I'm David Eckert, Scrum Master at Thales Digital Factory. My main mission as a Scrum Master is first to facilitate the meetings of the team, the Scrum rituals, and also the workshops organized by the team. I make sure that the team leaves the room with the expected outputs. Another important mission is to facilitate the communication and the relationships in the team, but also outside of the team. I'm also solving the issue of the team, so the blocking points of the team, both technical and human. The main tool that I'm using is the communication, using also physical tool like the Kanban and of course the post-it. As a software, I'm using Jira to follow the work of the team. After several years as a developer in the Scrum team, where sometimes I replace the Scrum Master during his absence, I saw that I liked helping the team solving the issue, and that's why I took the opportunity to have a full-time Scrum Master role in a new team.